Hello. In today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw money from your TikTok account. To learn the full process and more tips, make sure to watch until the end. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you cash out your earnings from TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu and select Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Balance. Depending on where your funds are coming from, choose Live Rewards for earnings from live streams or Content Rewards for earnings from the Creator Fund. Then, click Withdraw. You will need to select a payment method that is supported in your region. If you don't have a payment method linked, you will need to add one. Connect this payment method to your TikTok account. TikTok will then process your withdrawal, which might be immediate or could take between 3 to 5 business days. Remember, you can only withdraw funds if your balance meets the minimum threshold, which is currently around $1. And that's it. Withdrawing money from TikTok is straightforward and easy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.